go, Millsy. Recording.
Oh, that's good then. So, just picked this up from ETA Motorsport. They fitted the new Alcon brakes, 6-pot calipers, nice 365mm discs.
What? Mil discs?
365. So I'm going to take it for a spin in a bit and see what they're like, because they've got to be better than the original ones. And you may notice it's sitting a bit low, especially at the back, because it's got all the old suspension and stuff in there. But that's it on the HSD coilovers. So interesting times.
So big brakes are on and coilovers are on, Millsy.
Yeah, and it's also had all the subframe fixed, but I can't show you that. Maybe
Nice.
I'll put some pictures up.
You've been spending big dollars, mate, haven't you?
Seriously.
Oh.
If anyone's got any part-time jobs, I'm game.
It's the modifying way, mate. Modifying cost dollar.
Yep. But it's looking all right, isn't it? It's a bit nicer than the Civic.
Oh, let's not start talking about the Civic. There's no time to pull. She's not here to defend herself.
Yeah, she's busy not having tyres fitted, isn't she?
Yeah, it's not going to that.
Nice.
What, Millsy?
Yeah. Code. Check this out.
Is that what you're having done to your M3?
It's exactly going to look identical.
You wish.